Hi and welcome to another video. Basically, this is the website which we made for recently for a client. It is related to blockchain. We basically only designed and developed it, and most of the things is related to design and development for this project. If you can search, if I reload the page, I will show you. This is once we reload the page, you can see this small animation right here, and some like a coin which is scrolling down. We designed it custom. Everything is custom made in this design, right? So we made it the design in Figma and we developed it in ReactJS. Although the client did not provide us any details, we could have developed it in WordPress, Webflow, or WordPress or any other technologies, but we developed it in ReactJS because there was no such thing which was provided to us by the client. So we did it on our own. One thing they provided us is the domain and the hosting, and we used it. One thing I like to mention here before starting and before going to the explaining the landing page and how the website works, I will tell you that if you want to work with us, or you have an idea and you want to implement it in mobile or web or mobile app, you can contact us. But one thing I like to mention is that we will take only advance payment. We work on advance payments only. So you can contact us if you can send advance payment, because we have a lot of projects in queue and we cannot work after you will pay us once the project is done. This is now how we works. So basically the word, if I scroll down, you can see this is a blockchain project, smart contract premium. If you've heard of it, it is related to blockchain. We are the designer and developer of this website. You can see how beautiful each and everything is. Arcway has made many previous, like they are running around like tons of website right now, and this is one of their website which we develop. You can see how amazing the designer, how the attention to detail is fully focused here. So basically everything is like pixel perfect from the design we make and design and development in the development process. If I scroll down, you can see how good of these like 4 to 5 images, how good they look like. If I scroll down, this is the next step function, and at the bottom there is a footer. If I go, you can go on the website arcway.io and you can check the entire website, how good designed the entire website is. There is also a get in touch button. If I click on, you can see it basically open a pop-up kind of thing. We designed it and developed it both on ourselves. Me and my team did that. If you want us to work on your project, you can contact us on our WhatsApp. And if you like the video and you want to see such more amazing projects, amazing designs which me and my team made, you can contact us. You can subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.